Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Vivo Y35. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that app. Right here you can customize the browser, so sign in to turn on synchronization. You can do it later. There's a setup for data sharing preferences, and finally set up Microsoft Edge as a default browser. From here open any website, and as you can see it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.